The AH-1W Super Cobra was the first attack helicopter to qualify both the Sidewinder air-to-air missile and the Sidearm anti-radiation missile. Sidearm has a range of more than 15 kilometers. Super Cobra helicopters form the backbone of the Marine Corps' Air-Ground Task Force and act as on-call close air support platforms for Marines under fire. Cobras are also used for ground attack coordination, with pilots trained to call in artillery or mortars on positions while orbiting above the battlefield. After 34 years of service and more than 930,000 flight hours. Starting in 2006 as part of a remanufacture program, the AH-1W Super Cobra is being replaced by the AH-1Z Viper. Marines flew the Super Cobra in Iraq, Somalia, the Gulf War, and with Marine Expeditionary Units operating on Navy ships around the world.